This is the NEWVEW Solar Lighting System. This particular one is the NV-T229BT, and I can't wait to show you all the features about this product. It's a very great product. I will also tell you the price and where I bought this product from. So let's start with a quick unboxing. So this is the main unit. Has a great handle. We're going to look at all this, but also you can see it has a torch and a light. These are the two cables that come inside the packaging. One is a multi-USB charging cable. It has a micro, mini, USB-C and a barrel connector. And this is the AC charging cable. Again, this thing you can charge using electricity. This is the solar panel. That's the rating. One thing I love about this solar panel is that it's made from glass. This is not plastic, so it won't yellow and degrade with time. This is something that can last you a very long time. Another thing that I wish would have been introduced into this solar panel at the back are those tabs that you can just tie the solar panel to something, maybe your roof or something. And this is primarily to prevent theft, because these things usually get stolen a lot. And it also has these stands. And last but not least, we have this other box, and this contains the lights. They are 3 in total. So let's see how this gadget works. But first, before that, I'm going to show you the box. So for those of you who just want a picture of all the things on the box, here you go. The other side. So this thing is also great for camping. It's made in China. Two of the main reasons about this product: number one, it is a solar product. Nowadays I'm doing a lot of solar products. And number two, it has FM radio, and that's this portion at the top here. This particular one also has Bluetooth. That BT in the model number is for Bluetooth, and it can also play music from your memory card or USB. This is the power button to turn on the functions below here. This USB port is for charging your devices. And the other port here is for connecting your solar panel. This solar panel has a barrel connector that you just connect like that. That light is supposed to be red like that when it's charging. At the bottom here, we have the AC charging. And at the bottom here is where you connect your lights. Each individual light has its own switch. And it's also bright. That's the switch for each light. Although it has 4 ports, it only comes with 3 lights, and I guess you can use the other port to power anything else, provided it is powered by 6 volts, because all these lights are 6 volt 3 watt lights. And you can see they are bright. I also did another video about the CamiSafe solar charging kit a few months ago. It's similar to this one. The only difference is that this one has FM radio, Bluetooth, USB and all that, and the other one didn't have any of that. You can see how bright these things are. I'm very impressed by these products. So that switch controls the lights and the USB. The other thing is located on the other side here. This is a spotlight and a normal light. And to turn them on, you use this other button. You upwards, that's for the spotlight, which is again very bright. And downwards, in the middle, it is off, and downwards, you just turn on the other light. So this is a great tool for camping as well. I bought this product for 2,400 Kenya shillings. This is around $18 US, and that's the shop I bought this from. The shop is in Nairobi, CBD. That's the address, and those are the phone numbers if you are interested. As you already saw in the unboxing section, this thing didn't come with a user manual, so I had to do some experimenting to know how it works. This is how you turn on the FM radio.
Bluetooth mode.
That is Bluetooth mode, by the way. The speaker is located on the top here. To change the mode, you just use this button labeled M.
FM mode. Bluetooth mode.
So it appears as NEWVEW. I had already paired it to this phone, and if you just connect it, it just works. So let me play some music. You can see it also has a base port at the back here. Generally, the FM radio, I found that it works without an antenna. This thing does not have an exposed audio antenna, but it just works. If you're having problems with FM reception, then you can just use any USB cable plugged into the USB port at the top here. So these types of units actually use the USB cable as an antenna. The charging cable seems very short, but for better results, I recommend just using the original cable that came with your phone. This way you can still use your phone as it charges. I will now be testing USB charging before I explain some of the shortcomings I have already seen on this product. Here you can see that is the charging cable. So some of the shortcomings I have seen with this product. Number one, this product does not have any legs. So it's very easy to slide it around. So it's very easy to knock it off from tables or anything else. I wish it had rubberized feet. Number two, this thing has a lead acid battery instead of a lithium battery. I really expected it to have a lithium battery. So I don't know how long this lead acid battery will last. I'll create follow-up videos in the future. So these are the specifications. This thing has a 4000 mAh battery. So it's not enough to fully charge your phone. For example, this phone has a 5000 mAh battery. So in order to charge smartphones, it is recommended you just charge it during the day when the sun is out, when you have your solar panel connected to your NEWVEW solar lighting system. So the other thing I noticed that you can't notice in this video, but the speaker has that sort of sound that I don't like. It is like the speaker is torn or something, but I'm sure it's just some glue hitting the cone. So I'm just going to open it up and try and fix that. I will also try and fix these buttons because it seems like these buttons are closer than this one. I have to press this one. I have to press this one quite far for it to work, while this one is just at the top. So let me open this thing up so that I can check what's happening with the speaker and also try and fix the buttons over here, as well as check the lead acid battery inside. So that I can get this thing. That's the lens from the spotlight. So the build quality is quite nice. You can see that array of LED here. That's the main PCB, the charging and power output. And here is the battery, 6 volt, 4.5 ampere hours. So this is a sealed lead acid battery. I really hope this thing will last a long time because I really expected this thing to have a lithium ion battery because they have much higher power density, meaning that they are much smaller for the same power output and they last longer, and they also have more charging cycles than lead acid batteries. This thing is offset, so that is what was causing these two buttons to be recessed like that. It's nice that I'm also a technician and I can fix such problems. So just place it like that, then I tighten it. Yeah, now it's very nice. The buttons are quite nice now. So it's great product. I am quite impressed. So the thing with the speaker, I don't know what is causing that rattling problem. So I think I've already figured out the problem. First of all, I don't like how this speaker does not have any hot glue on it, but there is a section where this rubber thing was like offset and it was touching the plastic. So that was what was causing that rattling I was hearing. But look at the movement on that speaker. So that is solved. I can't hear that rattling anymore. One more thing, this shop I bought the NEWVEW from, they gave me a gift, a packet of 4 of these solar lights. So they are just decoration lights, they charge using solar, and if you block the solar panel, you can see the decoration light over here. These are RGB LEDs and they cycle through all these colors. So that was quite nice of this shop. I might do a very short video about this product later on. And you can see it uses something like a AAA battery inside. Generally, I love this thing. It's very ergonomic with the handle at the top here. It's not that heavy. It weighs around 1.1 kilograms. I know, I measured. I love this color theme, the green color theme, the good sound output and everything. Spotlight as well as the camping light. I love everything about this thing. So I'll do a follow-up video a couple of months from today. I really want to see how much this battery will last. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today. Let's meet in the next video and goodbye.